Hello everyone, welcome to the Nifty Prediction weekly video series. I am BL Guru. Nifty surged to new highs last week. However, on Friday, we saw some profit taking and Nifty fell on Friday. But this fall that we saw on Friday has not changed the structure on this chart. The overall outlook is still bullish. Supports are there to limit the downside. We expect Nifty to see one more leg of rally before it gets into a deep correction. Let us now look at the charts and see where the supports are there for the Nifty and how far can it rally from current levels. Nifty rose to 19,500 and then fell sharply on Friday, giving back most of the gains. The overall trend is still up. Supports are at 19,200 and then in the 19,100 and 19,000 region. Outlook is bullish to see a rise to 19,600 and 19,800. This rise can happen either from 19,200 itself or from the 19,100 19,000 support zone. In case Nifty breaks below 19,000, it can see an extended fall to 18,800, but that is less probable. The rise to 45,500 happened as expected last week. Nifty Bank index made a high of 45,655 and then has come down from there. Immediate support is in the 44,700, 44,500 region. Nifty Bank index has to sustain above this support and breach 45,500 to go up further from here. In that case, the doors will open for the index to target 47,500 and 48,000 in the coming weeks. If a break below 44,500 is seen, the index can fall to 44,200 and 44,000 this week. Thereafter, a bounce is possible. We will have to wait and watch for that. Dow Jones failed to breach 34,500 and has come down sharply last week. If we look at the weekly chart, the index has been range bound over the last 4 weeks. The region around 33,500 and 33,400 is a strong support zone. The bias is positive. We expect the Dow Jones to sustain above 33,400 and break 34,500 in the coming weeks. That break will take the Dow Jones up to 35,000 and 35,500 in the coming weeks. To sum up, the overall outlook is still bullish. Nifty can rise to 19,600 and 19,800 in the coming days. This rise can happen either from 19,200 itself or after a slight correction to 19,100 and 19,000. Nifty Bank index can rise to 47,500 and 48,000. For this rise to happen, it has to break above 45,500 decisively. Supports are there for the index at 44,700 and 44,500. Dow Jones is currently consolidating in a sideways range. However, the bias is positive. We expect the Dow Jones to break this sideways range on the upside and rally to 35,000 and 35,500 in the coming weeks. If you have any questions on F&O, please write to derivatives@thehindu.co.in. To know the outlook on specific stocks that you are holding and get advice on whether to book profit or hold it or buy more, write to techtrail@thehindu.co.in. For any queries on mutual funds, email to mf@thehindu.co.in. For any questions, clarifications on investments, personal finance, write to blportfolio@thehindu.co.in. To get more insights on investments, personal finance, stocks and commodity picks for short and long term based on technical analysis as well as F&O strategies, subscribe to BL Portfolio section from the link that you see on your screen. Please note that the outlook given in this video is based on technical analysis. These are strictly not trade recommendations. If you want to trade this view, please read the detailed index outlook article published in our website in the portfolio section. The link of the article is given below in the description.